your trucks for Sim Series 5, and this is the backflip competition. Now, here are the trucks that are stolen. We got the Avenger, Kahuna, Megalodon, Toro Loco, and GraveDigger. Those trucks are stolen. But these are the trucks that you guys can pick. We got Rage, LumberJack, Fuel Academy, right? Academy. Fuel Academy, yep. Blue Thunder, Cyclops. How you? Calvineer? Is that how you spell it? I'm not quite sure. I think this is Calvineer? Yeah, I think I'm spelling it wrong, or saying it wrong. Yeah. Max the Red, Bad Company, and Crushstation. So those are our trucks that you guys can pick. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And I'll catch you guys next time.